So, you've probably already seen these figures pop up all over the interweb, where people are making action figures of themselves. And this is a quite funny trend, I would say. So of course I had to jump on and make one of myself, and I've made multiple versions of this. This is just one of them. I don't know how well it looks like me, but at least it's kind of funny. But not very often there are sort of an explanation attached to this showing how this is done. But it's basically using artificial intelligence, and in this case ChatGPT, to do it. I don't know if it's an upgrade that has been included with ChatGPT that makes it sort of quite popular right now to do this. But let me just show you how it's done. It's done with a specific prompt that is structured in a way like this, and of course you can make your own variation. So you simply just go in under these brackets here, and then you substitute with whatever that you want the model to look like. So I made a version here that shows we can just try it here afterwards. But create an image of an action figure in a package labeled Drone Pilot. Use the attached photo as a reference for the face. He, that would be me, is 180 centimeters tall and dressed in a drone pilot uniform with a glowing vest, holding the drone remote. The cardboard section should be blue because DJI's colors are blue, so maybe that makes sense. Include accessories section with items like the drone, ND fillers, landing pad, sunglasses. You see where it's going, so you could just put in whatever stuff that you want here, and then make the design visually appealing and reflective of the drone industry. Do not include the character package on images on the package. And then I added this. This is not in the original one. This means that you can modify it to your needs to ensure a detailed industrial specific result. Okay, that was part of the original one. Then I added this one. Include the company name, Tech Drone Media, and the attached logo. So I simply just take this one, and then I go to ChatGPT, and I think you need a Plus account or something like that. At least you need to be logged in to be able to do it. And then I paste this in here, and then at the same time I go to the computer, and then I will find an image of me like this, and then I will find a logo. I think I probably have one here. Yeah, I do. Like this. It's not a very good one. So now I have this package just waiting for the upload to finish. I think I will get a prize for the slowest internet in the world. I think you need to live in a foreign country without any civilization present to have an internet connection that is worse than mine. I'm getting fiber very soon. So now the upload was completed. So I just press here on the arrow, and then it will generate a photo, and that will take a short while for it to do. So let's just pause the video. So it's working on it. It will take a couple of minutes for it to complete it. See, now it's starting to render it. Let's just pause it. So now it's done. I don't know how much it looks like me, but at least it got the cap there, and it got me holding the remote. Let's just take it up in foot. So I decided to include a Phantom 4. That's the funny part about ChatGPT. It doesn't, even though it's the latest cutting edge technology, every time that you do something with drones, it reverts back to this old design. But it did what we asked it to do, so it included all the accessories and stuff. So I will include the prompt in the description for this video, so you can try out and play around with this by yourself. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Even though I don't know what it was. Take care. I'll be seeing you around.